Mukbang. Mukbang.
Yeah. Can you see yourself? Yeah.
Enjoy. What a fishing killer. Oh, hello. English. You know?
It's a game.
How many?
An Italian job. Oh.
I don't know.
Yeah. It says a girl bench, you idiot. There's Wi-Fi here.
What the heck?
Stop! I'll take a picture of you. Can you see that? Go, go! Go, DJ!
Hey! Woo!
Something when me light up the ganja.
How many kilometers? How the hell do I? This one?
Oh! Oh, nice bike. Can I hop up?
Alexanderplatz.
Ooh, what's this?
Turm.
What is it?
What do you call it? Turm.
How? But anyway,
Oh, they have Dunkin' Donuts. Dunkin' Donuts in Munich.
yeah, we have Dunkin' Donuts
I
too.
just found out recently.
We have
But it's
two.
small.
No, we have two Dunkins.
Dunkin's?
Yeah, Dunkins.
Dunkin's what?
Dunkin' Donuts. But yeah, it's small. It's closed, I think.
Personally have.
Is it? It's open. No, it's open, I think.
Can you bowl?
Yeah. Hello. What's going on? This is a world clock. And you see like all the names of the cities. And you see like what time it is right now there. Hell no. Hey, look, I told you guys. Here we
So it's
are.
there.
Almost getting lost again.
Okay, wait.
Wait, so Rathaus is there. I think it's there.
Where's Rat?
Because the park is there, behind the Turm. I thought it was there. What?
It's this way. I'm McFlurry Lion mit Karamell bitte.
Thank you.
Wiedersehen.
How come yours is like a
Right?
smaller than mine? Mine is heavier.
Don't judge its book by its cover.
This is yours and then this is mine. How? Huh?
No, you don't know how they mix it?
Yeah, they put the thing there. I didn't know.
Yeah, she didn't know. She was like,
How do?
and then she was like,
In,
oh.
I always thought it was like, really? You drink it?
It doesn't even have a hole in the end.
has a hole.
Oh, really?
Yeah, there.
Oh.
Ice cream.
We're gonna film a mukbang. Okay.
Oh, that's the mukbang.
Let's do the.
Yeah.
Your nog, you lost money. It was like it sounded like two. Oh, thanks. I can see you like tripping on the stairs already.
No. You wanna try it?
No thanks. No thanks. Hey. Are they like behind you, Italians?
My crib. Right there. Right there.
No way.
No.
Is it closed? It is.
Hope that's open. Is it closed?
Yeah.
Oh hell no.
Today is Friday. Look, we've been walking around. Look at this. We went to this, now we're going this, and then we're gonna go to this,
And then that?
this.
Yeah.
Okay?
We're organized.
We're organized. Not. Are you excited?
Wanna eat it?
How hungry are you?
This is gonna be so.
I'm hungry.
How?
Very hungry. I'm gonna kill somebody.
We're excited for our food. This is a vlog. Welcome to our vlog. Check it out. Day 2. This is Berlin. Day 2. You know.
It's gonna get cold.
Yeah. Exactly.
All you eat? Too much? We're gonna be healthy today. Yeah. Then we're gonna eat McFlurry ice cream again. Ooh.
We ate healthy yesterday. We ate the salad.
Oh yeah. This is like a forest. Okay, oh. I'm getting for this. I'm getting for this. I'm going for this shit.
I also get to how? I don't know.
Gibt es? Also, Briefmarke? You need? Ja, so.
Why there are so many people? First of all.
First
Second of all,
it's an army checkpoint.
army. So where are we?
Here we have the
This is the Jewish museum.
Jewish museum.
We're about to enter Jerusalem.
Because we're like historical interested.
Journey to Jerusalem. Here's
Yeah.
our story.
We walked all the way from Berlin to Jerusalem.
Exactly. Everything's weird right here.
God is there.
I feel fucked up.
Yeah, I feel like
It is.
My equilibrium is off.
We are at this spy museum. Gonna get in. Nice.
I'm going in.
Already.
There's no word.
has to spell something out.
Maybe on this.
Maybe here.
Wait.
That's wrong. People are just watching us struggle.
No, it's the background.
Oh, this is. It's right.
Attack at sunrise.
Sunrise. Oh, shit. I'm like sweating.
Are you a master spy now? Are you?
Everything's closed.
Chicken.
We can't eat meat.
Yeah, we cannot eat meat.
Oh, here info. Oh.
Where you guys want to go? 1, 2, 3.
Where are your
That's my job. Stay healthy.
Hide and seek. Oh hell no! Where are we gonna go after?
East Side Gallery.
What's that?
Show you. We're gonna go
Okay.
here.
What's this called again?
Brandenburger Tor. Twice bit.
How? You were. I was saying it. She's gonna move the train, guys.
She is. It's already right there.
The other one's not working.
This scammed you.
May, tell us.
This is the Berliner Mauer
Oh shit, in German.
Side Gallery.
Oh shit.
The wall was built in 1961. It fell in 1989. Restored in 2009.
Welcome to my crib.
No, this is a music video.
Don't play with her, don't be this side.
Mukbang. ASMR.
It's 10:36 and we're eating. Hamburg. Hey! Gonna do mukbang.
ASMR.
You hear that? You hear that?
Hey, why are you touching my arm?
Go home.
Gotta
There.
go there.
There?
Yeah, there.
Yeah,
Sure.
there.
Beautiful parts of the city.
Yeah, but we don't want to go there.
Which parts?
We want to go to this real city.
Which is the
Big city?
No, it's a rich
So we're not bougie enough.
Yeah, we're not bougie enough. Look at me, man. They think I want to steal something.
You're my love.
Zum Klosterkrankenhaus. Doch das ist 400 Jahre her. Das gesamte Gelände erstreckt sich über gut 28 Fußballfelder. Diese Größe.
Hey May. What is up?
We're gonna play. Are you ready?
Are you?
Can I borrow your jacket?
Oh no. Thank you.
Oh shit. Yes, das ist Egyptian, Digga.
Cause we gon' rock this club. We gon' go on.
No, that's it, that's the bug.
I'm gonna name higher overall. Cause I'm in love of you tonight. Give me everything tonight. Give me everything tonight. For all we know, we might not get tomorrow.
You good? You alright?
They're already drunk again.
This is a Chucky Beat production.
I got scared. Okay, Meg, show us.
Show what?
Show us your crib.
So this is the way to get my cinema.
Okay.
Cinema.
What is what?
Model behind you.
Oh shit.
And those are for like
Spice? Is it like a code?
yeah.
The door gonna open? Squad.
They're lunches.
Cine gang, cine gang, cine gang. What the heck? This is for kids?
Oh, I went too heavy for this.
How is that for kids?